guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have some cleaning motivation for you guys. I am going to start off by shampooing my carpets, so I have to get everything out of the way.
You came and you changed all my perspective. Yes, in time you came and I love it, I love it. It's so great to have in my life.
So I just got all the little stuff moved out of the way, and then I'm going to go ahead and vacuum before I shampoo the carpets.
Feel so lucky, 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 feel so.
These carpets give such amazing, satisfying carpet lines. You guys, who knew as an adult the things that could make you so happy? Carpet lines. Do they make anybody else happy or just me?
You gotta notice, hey, I'm falling in love. You're feeling something, yeah. You cannot control. Yes, in time you came and you changed all my.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and fill up the water tank on my Hoover carpet cleaner. If you haven't seen my review already, go ahead and go check it out. I will try to make sure that I have it linked up above for you guys. I am going to use the Hoover Pet shampoo. My stepmom actually gave this to me, so I figured I'd go ahead and give it a try.
Feel so lucky, 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 feel so lucky.
So in my carpet cleaner review, I had a lot of people comment and say that I'm going too fast, but you guys, the video is sped up. If I didn't speed it up, this would literally take all day to watch. You're literally getting like an hour in 2 minutes. So I just thought I would let you guys know that I do go very, very, very slow to make sure that I am scrubbing and soaking up as much water as possible.
I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone.
One thing I do love about this, guys, it only takes one tank to do my whole living room. My living room is kind of small. I mean, it's cozy, I guess you could say, but I love this carpet cleaner because I only have to use one tank of water and it works out perfectly.
I won't look back. I don't know why she told me it's not your.
I do apologize for the terrible lighting in the hallway. I know it's very yellow. I'm working slowly on replacing all of our warmer toned light bulbs.
In your eyes, there's a light that makes me blush. I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone. Don't hesitate to call me back, 'cause I won't be there. I won't look back when you're around.
Alright guys, it's been a couple days and now it is time to take down all the fall decor. After I did shampoo, I did go back and vacuum and put everything back in the room. I'm sorry I didn't record it for you guys, but hopefully, you know, it's still somewhat motivating. So after I take everything down, I'm going to go ahead and go through and thoroughly clean everything. I just wanted to make sure I can get all the dust. You guys, I just love this shelf. I'm just sitting here watching this video playback. I love it. I got it on clearance at Michael's. So anyway, just going to finish cleaning up and dusting everything and getting everything put back in its spot, and all the fall is completely gone before we decorate for Christmas. So I bought these pillows at the gray ones at Hobby Lobby, and now I just buy pillow covers for it off of Amazon. The only thing I don't like about them though, guys, is when I change out the pillowcases on them, they shed so many feathers, it's ridiculous. You'll see here in just a little bit when I go to vacuum everything up, the feathers are just all over the place. So here I'm just putting on more pillowcases on the ones on the couch. Again, look, oh, the feathers just go all over. It drives me crazy. Someone help me. What do I do? What am I doing wrong? Why are all the feathers falling out? There's no holes in the pillows. They just poke out the fabric and fall all over the floor. It's crazy. See? See, guys? Look at all the feathers. Oh my goodness. I love this vacuum, you guys. It just sucks all those feathers right up. It is the Shark Rocket. I think I do have it listed down below in the description, so if you're interested. They do have a newer model out, though. And with all the Black Friday sales, I'm sure you can get a good deal.
Been a long night, think about everything till the sunrise. And every time I'm alone, I'll call your name.
Alrighty guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button on your way out, and give this video a big thumbs up, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!